So Umidigi's first rugged phone of 2024 is the Bison X20. This is a cheap rugged phone that is expected to retail for about $200. The specs of this rugged phone aren't entirely bad except for its processor. This rugged phone is powered by the Helio P60, guys, the old Helio P60. Helio P60 in 2024 is unacceptable. Many other rugged phones are coming with better processors, at least the Helio G99. We're seeing many budget rugged phones with the Helio G99. The Helio G99 is still quite okay in 2024, but the Helio P60 is just too old, guys. Anyway, let's explore the top features of the Umidigi Bison X20. So this device is a rugged phone. It is rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is water resistant, dust resistant, and is also resistant to high pressure water jets. The device is also military grade standard 810G certified. The device has a rugged build, and at the back of the phone is a camera module that contains 2 cameras and a flash. The phone also features a 6.53-inch HD Plus water drop notch display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels, and the device has an aspect ratio of 20:9. There is no display protection whatsoever. There is no Gorilla Glass or Sapphire Glass, any kind of display protection, guys. The device weighs 279 grams and it is 12.9 millimeter thick. The phone is, like I mentioned earlier, powered by the Helio P60, paired with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Now the RAM can be virtually expanded up to 12 GB. It's just a software feature. There's nothing special about it. As mentioned earlier, the phone features a dual rear camera setup, and they consist of a 20MP primary sensor with f2.2 aperture and a 5MP macro lens with f2.2 aperture as well. The rear camera is capable of recording up to 1080p videos. The device also has an 8MP front camera with f2.2 aperture, and the front facing camera is capable of recording up to 720p videos at 30 fps. So the phone packs a 6000 mAh battery, and it supports just 10 watts charging, which is another huge con. 10 watts charging is way too slow for a 6000 mAh battery, guys. It's going to take over 2 hours to charge the battery from about 10% to 100%, guys. So this is just another con of the Umidigi Bison X20. So other features of this phone includes a side fingerprint scanner, AI face unlock. The device features a customizable key, dual hybrid SIM, NFC, SOS keys, GPS, speaker. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it ships with the Android 13 right out of the box. Other sensors include G sensor, virtual gyroscope, e-compass, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and so on like that. So these are the top features of the Bison X20. As you can see, it's equipped with features that are not bad, but at the same time not impressive. But I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think about this new rugged phone from Umidigi? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.